Welcome to the Edupedia World, Virtual World, Free Education. My name is Suraya Sayed, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Among the many lookup and references function, the two most important are called Vlookup and Hlookup, and they are very useful to search for information. They let you use one supplied value to find another value. The mechanism of Vlookup and Hlookup are very similar. Think of V meaning vertical and H meaning horizontal. Vlookup allows you to search a table that is set up vertically. Vlookup performs a vertical lookup, while Hlookup allows you to search horizontally. You could structure a table vertically like the one we see here at the left, or you could structure it horizontally the way we see the data here at the right. Let's look at the Vlookup Syntax, and it requires four main parameters. The first parameter is the value, and it is the value to search for in the leftmost column of the table. And the second parameter is the table that contains all my data. The third parameter, which is the index number, and it's equal to the column number counting from the left, from which the matching value in the same row must be returned. Finally, the fourth parameter, which is not exact match, can be substituted by false value or a true value. If you are looking for an exact value, like looking for product name, person name, so you can type false in the fourth parameter. But if you are looking for a not exact match value, like the one in this example, if the value you are looking for can be located in between one of these ranges, for example, if you are looking for a quantity of 50 from the first left column, so it is not an exact match with any of the data recorded in that column. In this case, you should type true or to leave it empty, because that fourth parameter is optional one. Here are two examples related to each other. In the first one, we are going to use Vlookup function with an exact match to find the annual sales of a supplied salesperson. After that, and depending on his or her sales, we are going to locate the commission percent that should be given to him or her, given in the second table at the right. And in this case, we are going to deal with Vlookup with an approximate match. Let's imagine that scenario. I need to type any salesperson here, like Bob, and when I click enter, I need Excel to find his sales from that table. Okay, this can be done by using Vlookup function. We are going to insert the Vlookup function in cell E6 to see the result of his annual sales here. Start typing Vlookup. We can insert the function manually or using Excel insert function dialog box. As I told you, the syntax of the function is Vlookup and between parentheses four parameters. The first parameter is the value to look for, and here the value will be given from cell E5, then separator, comma, the table array. Table array is the cells from A1 to cell B50. This is the table from which the function will search for the sales. Then comma to separate. And now the third parameter is the column index number. Here, counting from the left, column A is column number 1 in my table, and column B is number 2 in my table. So I will type here number 2. After that, for the sales name, it will be exact match, so we can type false, then close the parentheses and click OK. Now you can see Bob, really his sales is equal to 8,548. It just needs to be formatted as currency to look the same, and reduce number of digits, decimals here, and now it is the same. And if you try to change the person, for example, if we type Iman and click enter, yes, the function will look for Iman in the first column and then going horizontally in the same row to find the value from column number 2, and it is 13,653. Okay, after that I'm going to take this sales here. We can enter equal sign equal E6 because the value in L5 will be equal to and the same which given in E6. Then click enter. It is the same. Now look at this sales value here from the second table in the first column in my table, and we can't find exactly the sales 13,600. It can be located in between the third and fourth record because 13,600 is smaller than 15,000 because we didn't reach this amount, so we can't give him 9% commission, so we will give him the lower commission percent, which is 6. Okay, let's insert the Vlookup function, but in this time I will insert the function using the dialog box. And here my 4 parameter. The lookup value is given each time in L5, and my table array now is this small table from H1 to I8. Now the column index number is column number 2, which is the column for the commission percent, and finally true or false. And because we are looking for an approximate match, so we will type true. Yes, Excel did the job as we already think about. It gives him the lower commission percent, which is 6%, and only needs to be formatted as percent format. Thank you for watching Edupedia World Videos. See you at the next video.